Hey guys, I hear that this Friday is a special day all over the world.
No way! What kind of special day is it?
You ready for it? You probably never heard of this one, but it's National Space Day.
What do you mean? Are we all getting into jets and traveling to space?
No, silly. That would be super cool, but not really possible. So instead,
This Friday, we will all dress up with anything that we have related to space. Aliens, planets, anything.
Kamin, are you ready?
Ready for Space Day on Friday?
Yay! Space Day on Friday came in.
Woo!
Woo!
Bye.